Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today we are up early. It is 8 a.m. and we basically are making a video discussing the dunk restock coming tomorrow for the lottery dunks, and also the one the day after for a couple other pairs. Not necessarily ones that are reselling, but maybe you're potentially interested in them, and we'll kind of go through them, what they're reselling for, how it's looking like, and yeah, pretty much everything I got to do today. Busy day, got work later. It's that 1 to 7 shift, so we're gonna be grinding it out. But again, if y'all want more content like this, check my Instagrams, any of that down below. You guys can see them on the screen, and also Hype Labs. Shout out to support here, guys. We just hit 15K, which is a huge milestone. I really appreciate it. And again, if you want to start cooking more pairs for retail, getting daily undermarket deals, learning how to buy anything like that, you can go to our website down below right here, hypelabcg.com, and see everything we offer. Join that wait list. It'll take you to right here, and yeah, you'll be able to again see everything we offer, see some reviews. Don't miss out. We did some retail gray gums and some other retail pairs yesterday and daily deals, and they're going to keep getting better every month. I mean, that's what we do. We're about improvement and making sure you guys get the best. So hope to see y'all there. And again, if you need any of these things, we do all of them. So see you there on the wait list. But let's get started. So the first one I want to discuss, and again, these are dropping tomorrow. I think the date might have changed on me right here for the Paisleys. If I think I'm tripping, but I think the date might have been pushed back one, because I do recall these dropping on the same day as the lotteries. But y'all can see it's 5/25. So this is not set for tomorrow. It's not set for Wednesday. This one is set for Thursday. But the one that is set for Wednesday or tomorrow would be right here. It'll be the lottery green dunk lows. Now, let's kind of discuss, the resale prices on this, couple other things. So I actually have a pair in hand. Shout out again, Hype Labs. We did a bunch of retail pairs of these, like retail and undermarket ones of these last week. It's kind of crazy now they're dropping. But yeah, there's just like my fifth or sixth pair I dropped, and it's just kind of funny that now Nike's restocking them. So shout out to the member that got this. But y'all can see the details on the sneaker again, the unique tongue tag, insole. I mean, this sneaker is awesome. I mean, I love this shoe. This is a great pair to have in the collection. Y'all can even see on the swoosh, maybe, obviously it's not scratched away, but the little 7. You might be able to see that reflected in the light. I don't think so. You can see the question mark kind of right there. But I'm going to be very careful with touching the swoosh because, again, it is scratch away and it's very sensitive. They even have a note on the inside of the sneaker describing, how sensitive the swoosh is, particularly with the gray pair. But, again, this is just, such a clean personal. It's going to be low stock and people are going to be going crazy for them. So you better have your accounts ready. And, again, one piece of advice I always try and give to people about, Nike whenever you're trying to get your accounts ready and warm them up is you should be going for releases before so for example, there's gonna be some SBs on sneakers right at the start of June. So what I'm doing is really getting all my accounts ready I lock my privacy cards, right, and I still go for the drops. So basically my accounts still enter, they're still generating the activity, but I'm not checking out on the item, if that makes sense, because my card isn't gonna go through on the payments and it's locked, but the accounts are still gonna warm up, and that's how I end up getting more hits, and that's how a lot of the botters end up doing it, is by warming up their accounts through locking their cards on payments so they don't check out in a bunch of bricks, but the accounts still get warmed. That's how it really works. But obviously, not gonna have enough time to warm your accounts before the lottery gray dunk low. You can buy a couple things, maybe that might help. But personally, my best piece of advice for preparing for releases like this is targeting a consistent size and going for a lot of drops. You got to go for variety also. That's you know what I mean. Don't just go for anything hyped. You got to go for the Spider-Mans when those drop. I'll give you an example. I went for the shock drop on those. I went for the Thunder shock drop. I went for the regular releases, Spider-Mans, the grade school Ambens, even PS. You know what I mean? You want to be targeting a lot of different sneakers. You want to kind of show that you're a more general sneakerhead to Nike, because they can tell. So again, these coming tomorrow, 5/24, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Nike app. Stock will most likely be low. I'm predicting between 10 to 15,000. But again, just because it has a lot of nice details, man. They're not going to produce a lot of these. Let's keep it real. It also comes with the coin, you know what I mean. This right here, little scratch away coin. Hold on, let me try and get a little focus on that right there. But yeah, y'all can probably see that it's not focusing fully for me. There you go. But yeah, they got to make this. They got to produce a little note inside. It's gonna be low stock. So just kind of one thing I want to mention about these. Again, get ready tomorrow, but it is not going to be easy, and it is going to be first come first serve. For anybody asking me, this is not a draw type of release. No Nike app releases are really draws. So the type of releases you should enter within the first minute or two for excuse me. But yeah, it's not necessarily something where you have to enter right at the start, but you really do have to enter as quickly as possible. That's more or less what I'm trying to get at. It's you shouldn't be waiting with a drop like this. You should get enter for that size you want, whatever size you normally target. I know in like some of my accounts I consistently target 10.5, some I target size 9. Like on my personal phone account, I'm always hitting on size 9 because I've been targeting that forever. So you know that's what I'm going to target for these. So aside from that, it's also important, with an account to go for Nike app and sneakers app releases, because again, that shows you that you kind of are like a more active participant, with Nike, if that makes sense. But that's just kind of one random fact. I don't think that necessarily correlates, but let's actually check out the resale prices on these lottery greens right now, so y'all can see, again, doing very, very solid. You can even see size 10.5 heading towards 200. I mean, look at these. I actually think it might be rising a little bit before the little Nike app release. Am I wrong? Yeah, I am wrong. So it has dropped off a little bit, but not much. And to be honest, if it's a low stock, these are just going to go right back up. You know what I mean? It's just because people are going to want these. I mean, this is such a clean colorway. They kind of were sneaky with loading this up on the Nike app. I got to be real. So if you didn't know, now I know. But yeah, we were making sure Hype Labs members were aware of this and, understood what was on the way. There's also a couple bricks on the way. Again, I want to show y'all these. Don't go for the patchworks. We got those. We got the coconut milks and the pink paisleys. I mean, if you're a long-term hold type of person, or maybe you got a really good local market, then hey, pink paisleys are going to be a solid bet for you, since they are restocking. Probably going to be decent stock, because I know a lot of people were canceling their pairs of all three of these. The people have been canceling. It's hard for Nike to actually sell these, I feel like, to people, because a lot of just resellers grab them and, don't end up flipping them and then just have to return them at the end of the day. But this one's okay. I mean, again, 525. It's not really one I'm focused on going for. It's light resell, but it's still going to sell out. It's mainly from people that are into the hold. It's not going to be a quick rise, if that makes sense. So again, there's the different kind of resale prices we have. Here's the one on the paisleys. Y'all can see it's not really too crazy. Like 120, 130. Yeah, so really not much going on there. But that's pretty much everything I can mention about what we have coming up. Again, this is the day after. So this is Thursday. All of these are Thursday, so keep that in mind. This is 525, if I'm correct. Yeah, 525, so keep that in mind. Day after tomorrow, I guess you want to say that. And then tomorrow, we have these lotteries. So do not miss out. Great profit here, and hopefully it'll be, I'd like to see like 50K pairs, but let's be real. If this is, I think the type of drop this is, since they just kind of loaded it up quickly, I think this is just going to be a restock for the canceled pairs. So like the pairs that were originally canceled that, didn't deliver to people. That's probably what this is going to be. So hopefully that makes sense. Yeah, Nike recently didn't deliver my Rose Whispers. That was so annoying. They just said they couldn't deliver them. So hopefully those actually get returned to Nike. Like, I'm going to be like checking that, because my theory is that because the address is very recognizable. I'm just thinking someone scanned it in, said they couldn't be delivered, and now they're enjoying a personal pair. But again, we'll see. If this happened again, I'm just gonna have to like jump the dude or something. I don't know. But yeah, aside from that, that is pretty much it. We got the lottery greens again. Do not miss out. So if y'all want to cop this pair with us, we're gonna have botters with free ACO running this drop today. So do not miss out. You can see everything we offer. So I hope to see y'all on that wait list. Also more daily undermarket pairs today. Don't forget, we're gonna do some like here's some pretty random items, like some $180 Zen Masters, bigger sizes too, so not bricks. We're gonna do some retail gray gums. We got some, I think we got some Champ Red dunks. I'm trying to think. We did Champ Red dunks yesterday, but there's more SBs we're gonna do today in the group. That's just daily undermarket deals too. You can see everything else on the screen. We dropped, we did some undermarket Spider sweatpants yesterday in the back door. Great play right there. And again, we can teach you how to buy one-on-one support, early info for releases, anything you need. We're here with it. So I hope to see y'all there. And if you want to learn, again, our exclusive brick flip calls too, so you can scale up your resale. And we have a autofill tool on the way, so don't sleep. But that's it. I'm going to end this screen recording. Again, check our socials, any of that if y'all want to. I forgot to even mention our Twitter. But yeah, y'all showed some great love in the Twitter yesterday. One of our tweets did really well. So you guys can check that out too. And yeah, thank you guys for 15K. That's a huge milestone. We're going to keep on going though. There's a lot on the way. So I'm ending that. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And hopefully I'll catch you on the next video soon. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.